Hey everyone, this is Jacob Tucker from Emerald City. We are the creators of Float, the Emerald bot in Discord if you've used it, Touchstone, Toucans, Emerald Academy, and a lot of other things in the Flow ecosystem. And today I want to show you two of them. So the first one here is Emerald Academy. Now this is a platform to help you learn everything about the Flow blockchain, as you're seeing here on the screen, completely for free. So today I'm just going to walk you through a couple of things that we have for all of you developers out there or non-developers, right? This is for, even for people who have never coded before and want to get interested in coding. So we have this catalog here where there's a ton of courses, tutorials, videos, tweets that users have actually uploaded here for you. One of them that I want to show you is this course here, this beginner Cadence course. So Cadence is the smart contract language for the Flow blockchain, and as some of you may know, or will definitely learn during this town hall, is being upgraded to Cadence 1.0. Now, this is amazing because there's so many features that are coming to Cadence and really nice things that are going to be in the language soon, but there's also a lot of breaking changes. And so in order to prepare developers and to help all of you migrate to the new upgrades, we're making courses and a bunch of other materials for you to use. Now, this is one of the better ones. This is a beginner course that I just uploaded. So this is for people who have never coded before, are already Cadence experts, and want to learn about the new upgrades. This is a course for you to take. Now, there's also a lot of other stuff too. One of them is Cadence by example. This is already in Cadence 1.0 and is a step-by-step walkthrough of everything in the language. So you go from, the most basic thing, which is a very basic smart contract, and, you can walk through this step-by-step to, the more complicated, things. Now, another thing we have here is code snippets. This is a whole library of readily available code that you can copy and paste into your project to help you learn. So let's just say, you wanted to learn how to authenticate using FCL, right? This is how to log in with a wallet on your dApp. This is copy and pastable code that you can use. And we also provide a, working example so that you can actually try it on your own and know that it is working. Another thing we have is quick starts. This is a list of dApps that you can clone onto your computer and start, working with. So this is, and we have Unity, we have Next.js, React, Swift UI for mobile, and SvelteKit. So lots of different options for you to use. And the last one here is Flownaut. Now, this is what I really want to emphasize. Flownaut is like a game. It's like a hacking game for Cadence developers. This allows you to walk through a bunch of different levels and try to hack smart contracts. And if you can hack the contract, you win the game. Now, when Crescendo network becomes live on Cadence 1.0, which will be quite soon, we're going to upgrade this whole game to Cadence 1.0. And so it'll be a great way to learn about the new, again, Cadence 1.0, so you can start hacking contracts in the new language. And we hope you'll find it very fun and useful as you learn about the new stuff. So the second thing I'm going to show you today is Toucans. Now, this is very different from Emerald Academy, but just as awesome. So there's a lot of different things you can do on Toucans, but ultimately it comes down to two things. You can create a DAO treasury, and you can create a token. Now, this is completely no code and also totally free. And the goal of this platform is to help communities raise funds and govern themselves in a more transparent way. So there's two success stories that I want to share with you today. The first one is Sloppy Stakes. Now, and shout out to Alex, by the way, if you're watching this, who is the amazing creator of this project. So Sloppy Stakes is arguably the most successful meme coin on Flow blockchain. And it was actually created on Toucans for free. And so this is the main page of the Sloppy Stakes project. And you can see that it comes with a lot of stuff automatically. One of which is, automatic leaderboards, like who is holding this token, who is voting on decisions, who is investing in this project, which leads me to this next point where you can donate to, any project on Toucan. So if I wanted to, I could donate 10 Flow to this project, say I love this project, I can attach a message here. I could donate USDC, I could donate in the project's native token, or I could even donate some NFTs if I want. You could see here all my NFTs here. I could donate some floats. I could donate my my floaty wrapped. Shout out to the floaty team if you're here. And when you make a donation to a project, it automatically tracks that under the recent activity tab. And this is a really important point I want to make is we're trying to bring greater transparency and organization to communities on Flow. I think all of us here, probably know that communities on Flow are so tight knit, right? Like it seems like community members are always, chatting in Discords and helping each other out on Twitter. but it's really hard for community managers to communicate with their community in a transparent way that, this is the donations we've received, or these are the NFTs in our community treasury, or these are the decisions that we're making. And so we actually built all that into Toucans, where when users donate to the project, it shows who donated, the amount that they donated, a little message that they attach. It shows when, project admins withdraw from the treasury. It even shows when the project admins stake flow. So we actually built staking directly into treasuries as well, and a bunch of other stuff as well. There's a bunch of, all these decisions, by the way, are multi-signed actions by the project admins. So even if your project has multiple admins, they can all make decisions together and vote on them. So a lot of, really cool features built into this. And the other success story I wanted to add is All Day Unlimited, which is one of my favorite all-day communities run by Diamond. Shout out to you if you're watching this. And Diamond has done a great job sort of showcasing the power of NFT treasuries, where you can see these are all the NFTs that the community has donated. They love Rashid Shahid. But they love donating these moments here, and you can even see that it tracks the donors of this project. So these are all the people that have donated. It's just a great way to better organize your community. And lastly, just to show that all tokens that are created on the platform are automatically built into Incrementify, which is the leading DEX on Flow. So we're really trying to help out the DeFi ecosystem as well. And if you create a token on Toucans, it's automatically on here as well. So you can, there's swapping, there's farming, a lot of other stuff you can do. So anyways, that's it. And if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Twitter or our Discord, and enjoy the rest of the town hall. Bye.